5 tips for using dark colors in interior design. Pay attention to lighting. When installing dark materials in your space, lighting should be one of the first things to consider. The darker the color is, the more it seems to absorb the brightness of the room. To avoid this, make sure that the room you are designing has plenty of light sources. Create contrast and balance. Your choice of furniture and accessories are key to making sure you don't weigh down a darker room. Instead, you want to create contrast with furnishings in a mix of materials and textures that pop against your dark walls. Accent walls. Consider using dark colors on an accent wall rather than painting an entire room in a dark shade. This can add interest without making the space feel too dark. Use dark colors in larger space. Dark colors can work well in larger rooms where there is more space for the color to spread out. In smaller rooms, consider using dark colors as accents or on specific elements rather than dominating the entire space. Greenery and plants. Introduce indoor plants to add a burst of natural color. The vibrant green against dark backgrounds can create a striking visual contrast. Remember to strike a balance between dark and light elements, play with textures and patterns, and leverage natural light to illuminate the richness of your chosen color palette.